Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna showing to you how to create a component of in the Vue.js 3. Okay, so I'm gonna discuss about Vue.js 3, how you'll create a component Vue.js 3 tutorial. You will learn uh, how to build a Vue.js 3 component and how to create a file and to define and template and script, and you have to learn and style at the interview question. Okay, so in this tutorial you will learn to the make how to create a make file or component, and define template and script, import and use component, and add a style, and after then interview question. Okay, so at first let me discuss how to what is Vue.js 3 in component like that. Components are the reusable Vue.js instance with the custom HTML elements, and components can be reused as many times as you want, or used in the another component, making it child component. So what kind of Vue component like that? Different three ways like that: header component, and like that body component, and after that footer component, and making of three component, then it will be showing the web page. Okay, then it's whole we are called this web page component. Okay, so how to create a Vue components like that? Vue components can be defined in two ways, and either locally or globally, like that global component and local component. So now I'm gonna describe again about simply components. Okay, so one important feature of Vue.js is ability to use of component are the reusable Vue instance with the custom HTML elements. That components can be reused as many times as you want, or used to in another components, making inside component data and computed watch and methods can be used in the Vue components. Okay, so the components are the registered globally in your app and can be used anywhere without having to export or import file. It's a contain in create a component to the with globally with the following like that syntax. So at first, global components like that two parameters of the components like that. We have to Vue instant add like and since the greeting card component is defined globally, so it can be used in different Vue instant like that. Here you will show the two type properties like that name of, so two types like that, two types parameter. Here you will show it like the name of component and another is property. So it takes two parameters and the name of component, and object that describe the properties of component. Okay, I hope you will understand this global component and how you will create this global component like that Vue dot component. Then here will be two parameters. Okay, so next tutorial we will show it practically in the global component and the local component. Okay, so don't worry about this. You will show that here on an image like that. I will add this I add this image in here. So at first you will see that like that style that here like that style.css will sum of give the sum of design here. Okay, so then you will show that rendering the component in the first Vue instant like that f1, and you will show that two type rendering component in the Vue second in the Vue instant like that greeting card, that is the two in the global. Then I will defining the component globally like that greeting card, and here I will create another template like that template. At first I will describe I have already described this about template, like and in the next tutorial we will show that about template. Okay, so how you'll create this template and how you'll create this component. Okay, so don't worry about this, just as this prefix, what is global component and what is local component. Okay, so in the next second view is instant of the view f2. Here I will call this f2 and f1, like that. That is, you will show that. Okay, so that is the rendering component, two type of rendering component, and I will add this two type of I will call this two type of rendering view instant. Okay, so here we will show that local component, like that. In the example, and like that welcome card component, here is welcome card, that it's the rendering of component. Okay, so it is then registered locally in the instant, that is it can only be used that in the view instant. So then you will show that defining the component, like the template and props. So what is props? Here is the simply what is props, like the props are used to the pass data or data, like that. Your rendering method and passing the data here. Okay, so is the defining the props, that's called, it's the defining the props. Okay, so I think props are the used to pass data from the parent component down to the child components. Okay, so okay, so here you will show that what is props, I already describe it. So in the today I will finish this tutorial, and the next tutorial we will learn about a single page, making single page design and dynamic page, and we will know that practically in the next tutorial how we will create a Vue.js 3 in the component. Okay, so I hope everyone enjoy this course, and if you want to like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and after all, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next tutorial. Okay, viewers.